Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for if you messed up and left a paper towel in your intake. If you serviced your throttle body and forgot your shop towels in there and started your vehicle, you most likely sucked those shop towels up into the intake manifold. I shut mine down in less than 30 seconds because all of a sudden it started to sound like muffled and really weird. And so I shut the truck down, took the intake manifold off here, and sure enough, I found all three sheets stuck together. So here's how I took the truck apart in order to find these shop towels. And I've included the links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it.
We disconnect a lot of these. Thinking maybe I should disconnect the battery. Panicking because I made a huge mistake and forgot to pull my rags out. I shut it down as quick as I could. Mother.
I'll need to remove the intake manifold in order to see if the towels are stuck before entering the cylinder heads. To do this, I need to unplug the vacuum lines, fuel rail, and fuel injectors in preparation for pulling the fuel rail.
I should just be able to pull this straight up. I'm making sure that everything disconnected first. Yep.
Sounds good.
There we go. Okay, so now it's time to take the intake manifold off, and there's 4 bolts holding it on, or sorry, actually there's 6 holding it on. There's 1, 2, 3, and same matching on the other side. I believe there's like 3 to 4 plugs that are also going to be on the back side of this. So just be aware of that when you unplug it and start to pull it out. There's going to be several different plugs to disconnect on the back side. So it's an 8mm for the intake manifold. Be careful of my heater line here.
Show the tool that you used.
I just use my hands.
Oh.
Can't tell with any light. Actually, I think I barely see it.
Really? Do you want the flashlight?
See it down there on the mirror?
Mm-hmm.
There it is. See it? There's 1.
You saw 2?
No, I only saw it in the 1 so far.
How many towels did you think you put in
There
there?
was a bundle of 3.
Oh,
So they might all be connected still.
maybe. If you balled them up tightly.
Yeah. Hook or something. Right, here we go.
It's like a magic trick.
Oh my god.
Are they still intact?
1, 2, 3. Holy shit. Woo! A lot of sleepless nights could be lost over this.
If you don't find it in there, you're gonna wanna work your way down and they might be sitting on top of the valve covers, so you have to take the headers off and check it there. And if you really need to, obviously pull the plugs and rotate the cylinder so that you can have the cylinders come up if there is pieces down in the cylinders. That's worst case scenario. Luckily I shut mine down quick enough and it was still stuck up in the intake manifold and all 3 sheets were still stuck together. So really lucked out with this one. Okay, next steps. I want to make sure any of the covers go back on there correctly, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall everything back on. Yeah, now breathe sighs of relief, double check your work, make sure you don't leave shit where it shouldn't be. Thanks for watching this how-to video. If you enjoyed it, smash down the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I've included links to all the products and tools I used today in the description below, So make sure to click on those and check them out.